you're looking to upgrade your clip from low quality to 4K, Airvid AI is your go-to solution. Simply download the app from pinned comment of this video, open it, select your clip, and let it do its magic with just one click. For those extra low quality clips, you can even repeat the enhancement process up to 3 times for the best results. Once the enhancement is done, export the video and import it into a light motion. By layering the enhanced clip over the original, you can easily see the improvement in quality. To further refine the quality, add some sharpness for clarity. After making these adjustments, export your clip in high quality. And if you're interested in adding 3D text or a tunnel effect, check out the respective videos on the right and left sides for more details.